Hello, welcome everybody. We're here at 278 Cheyenne Drive. This property here is located on Twin Creek Estates here in North Vacaville. And I'm gonna actually take you through this new technology that we're using. It's a 360 video. Feel free and interact. Move around the screen. You don't have to sit here and stare at me the whole time. I'm gonna be walking you through the home, giving you the details and kind of the highlights of the property. But really excited to invite you into this home and give you a quick little walkthrough. Come on in. Hi, my name is Samuel Vera with Vera & Co. Real Estate team here in Vacaville, and I'm excited to now take you through this home. And as you walk into this room, you'll see you have the vaulted ceilings, the updated dual pane windows, and this property is nice and open space with a lot of natural light. And then right off this room, you have the office space. And here's that fourth room. This is the flex room. We use it and staged it more as an office, but here the upgrades, the windows were upgraded, the recessed lighting was added, these double doors to kind of give you a little bit more of that luxury feel to have this room used pretty much for whatever you'd like. And now for the good stuff, the kitchen. This kitchen was completely remodeled, and with all these added cabinet space, you have the quartz countertops with the gray and the orange tones to kind of give it that very luxury feel. And as you can see, we have a very, with the gray tone floors, with the whites, we felt like it would give this room the most light and make it the most inviting. And as you look around in the kitchen, you'll be able to see a little bit closer up on the countertop, so you can kind of see the veins that have that gray tone that bring out the flooring, the tile flooring with that gray color. You'll also see that the subway tile is all the way to the top, so it gives it that very luxury feel, especially with the under cabinet lighting. That just kind of gives it enhances the luxury experience of this kitchen. And then we step right into the family room right off the kitchen. So you have that this space set up more for entertaining. You can be in the kitchen and still enjoy your family or your guest here in this space. Pretty awesome. And right off the family room, you can access your laundry room, which features both electric and gas hookups. And then right off the laundry room, you have the half bath for your guest, and straight through there you'll also have the garage access. Here we are in the garage now, and one of the big highlights of this is the water heater. It's a 40-gallon, and the central air and furnace have both been updated, and they were installed at the end of year 2022. Now let's head on upstairs and check out the rest of the bedrooms and bathrooms. And as we come here to the right, we have these two similar sized rooms. They both have recessed lighting, the ceiling fans, and dual pane windows. And right off the hallway here upstairs, you have the bathroom, which you can see that you have the updated vanity with that same countertop style to kind of keep consistency throughout the home. You have updated dual pane windows, updated flooring. In the shower and tub area, we have the tub to ceiling completely tiled to kind of give it that really luxe feel to this space. And here we are at the primary room of this property. You see the updated lighting throughout, recessed lighting, ceiling fan, the dual pane windows. And honestly, you guys, this is, I'm standing here in front, and I can't wait for you to see this in person, but it's a very oversized space. And then you have the closet, the pretty much standing closet here. And I'll open this for you to kind of take a peek inside. But you also, as a bonus, have a walk-in closet next to the bathroom, which we'll head to next. And here in our primary bathroom, as you can see, the walk-in closet to the left, and then you have the updated vanity, dual sink, and with that very chrome warm lighting, and then you have the toilet and shower to your right. Here's your walk-in closet, and as you can see, there's more than enough space for all your clothes. And now here we are outside of the property, and you can see the brand new sod that was laid out, views of some hills here behind. This property also has this very large deck with a little step up. You can probably put your barbecue set right up there. The whole square foot lot of this property is a little over 7,800 square feet. Out front in this space, you'll note that you actually don't have front neighbors, and right to your left facing the street, you have access to 2 trails for walking, biking, or running. Here we are, this great home looking for a great buyer. If you have any questions, please call me at 707-564-1014. Thank you so much for walking through this property with me, and I so look forward to seeing you in the future. Thank you.